Hey there, are you tired of using basic design tools for your social media and marketing materials? Want to step up your game and make your content stand out? Look no further than Canva Pro. Subscribe. With Canva Pro, you'll have access to a wide range of design elements and templates, making it easy to create professional-looking graphics in just minutes. From social media posts to flyers, brochures, and even videos, Canva Pro has everything you need to make your content pop. But that's not all. Canva Pro also includes advanced features like brand kits, which allow you to easily maintain consistency across all your materials, and animations, which can add a dynamic and engaging touch to your designs. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to take your content to the next level. Subscribe to me today and start creating amazing designs that will help you stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching.